I'll just turn up your volume because it didn't really appear. I mean, it did, but like, just a bit faint. Okay, talk.
Hello?
Okay. Now, do I join you?
We're playing the Majestic game.
Okay, wait, are you in the game though?
This game isn't scary, it's just amazing.
Alright, okay.
Alright, I'm in the game.
Okay, let me join.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
It says you aren't in the game, but I'll...
Well I am
Oh, now you are. Okay, I'll join.
I can't express how amazing this game is.
I know. Oh, shit. No, I mean... Oh, I thought you were about to say something else. Shit, okay. But that game terrified me. Terrifying, dude. Terrifying. Okay, it's on my TikTok. Okay, I'll send it. I'll just go Discord. Oh shit. Okay. I'll send the What is that noise? Oh my god. What is this, bro? What the... Oh my god. Can you kill people?
Follow me!
Is that you? Okay. I cannot see.
We're going to the
Eat.
This is Lebox.
Level. Ah! Okay. Wait, I can fly? Can I fly?
No, with likeless birds.
But I jump. Can't jump. How do I get out here? Okay.
Jump multiple times. I'm gonna
Oh.
because it's so glitchy. Hilarious.
Okay. What the hell is this? I'm scared.
It's not okay.
Yes. No. Why is there a huge thing in the middle of a... Is that a worm? Oh, I think it is a worm.
Wait.
There's a huge worm in the hole. Can I eat that?
I'm making noise.
There's a huge worm. Yes, is that you?
I'm the yellow one.
Nice. Me eat a worm. Yeah.
Also press F.
Oh my god. Somebody just blowing the horn, bro.
Hey sister. I'm going in.
Let me blow the horn, bro.
I'm
Yes.
going in.
Let me go into it.
Ah, I'm stuck!
No! Oh shit. Oh, what the... Oh my god, look at that guy. Wait, let me come over here. Let me... Oh. Okay, what's this? A car. He got a car. He got a car, bro.
Huh?
Yeah, he got a car. Oh my god, I can drive it.
Where are you?
Oh, it's in the hole. It's just stuck and there's people in it. Come on, bro.
Oh, wait there. There's a car?
Yep, but it's stuck, so it's useless. It's useless. Is that a trampoline? No. Yes. Oh my god, look at my feet. Oh my god, I need that log right now. No! Okay. Hey! Oh my god, he's grabbing onto me. Oh my god, I'm flying, bro. Why are you grabbing onto me? Stop, this is sexual harassment. Stop!
Gotta get the car.
Yes. Boy, stop riding me. That's really weird. Oh my god, there's two people. Boy, stop. Get off me. Thank you. Oh, you're gonna bite onto me again, aren't you? No. Oh shit. No, he's biting onto another person. Ah. No, I'm biting onto you now. So, yeah.
Stuck. Wait, no. Three.
Come on, let me bite you, bitch.
I got a balloon.
Oh shit.
Look.
Come on, bro. Let me bite you. Yay, I bit somebody. I think.
Dance. Oi. Oi.
Hi.
Oi.
Wait, where'd you go? Oh my god.
I'm right behind you. I'm a yellow bird with the balloon.
Burb. Oh, there you are. Oh my god.
I'm leaving.
Oh shit.
Okay.
No, let me go on the balloons. No. Ew, oh shit, okay. What if I go up
Come on,
there?
let's go.
Wait,
What
where?
am I doing? What is this walk?
Balloon.
What's this walk though?
Burb. Oh my god. You can kind of fly if you press shift.
Oh, my balloon! My balloon popped!
No! You can kind of fly if you press shift and space. Yeah. Bam, bam, bam. Ah, bam.
Away.
Yes. Now, what is that? I flew.
Yes! Yes! I did a thing.
You flied?
Nah,
Boy.
I'm on the top of something.
Now, tell me what that thing is.
Fell. Alright, so you see the massive bird? Pink bird?
Nope. Let me just, I have no idea, but okay. Now, what the hell is that? Bomb. Is that a bomb? Did I just eat a bomb? Shit.
Am I green? I'm green, I'm not yellow!
Yes, you're green.
Thought I was yellow. Colorblind?
Yes, you are.
Sad now.
I thought you were yellow too.
Why am I green?
Or maybe you just changed color if you died. Did you die?
No, I didn't die.
Oh shit. I don't even know.
The hell?
The-
Oh wait, it was just sliding. I'm not green.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay.
I found something.
Tell
Ah,
me.
what is this? Crime scene!
Oh shit.
Ah, where are you?
I'm dying. At the balloon place. Where the car is.
Look!
Is that you? Give me paint. Give me ketchup. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Take
Oh Jesus.
There we go. Done. Run! Run! Vandalism!
Run, we go commit crime. Commit tax fraud.
Ooh! Blue bucket. I want the blue bucket. Yeah.
Yeah.
And dance. Why am I?
Oh no, like, let me go back in. I can't get in. Okay.
I'm blue!
No, a blue hole.
I'm blue!
Me feet are blue. Yeah. What's in here?
Liars.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, come down here. What the hell is that? And I just fell out of the map. Oh my god, that was so creepy.
What was that, huh?
It was a giant head.
What?
Yeah,
Where are you?
I died. It fell out the map. We both fell out the map.
I'm here. I didn't fall out of the map.
Bruh. Should I stop recording now?
Yes.
Okay.
Send me the recording.
Okay, I'll stop. Just